Namaskar. I think I'm live now. Namaskar to all my followers, subscribers, and everyone who is watching this live, YouTube live. For the first time, I'm live on YouTube with the purpose and reason. That is my mission as a Nadabindu Dilip Langu. I am addressing to you to spread the message of love, message of yoga, message of Nada Yoga, message of the celestial sound, that is Om. You call it you call it you call it anything, it is sound. Sound that vibrates, that reverberates in this cosmos, and that enables us to live happily or otherwise. The more we are closer to this sound, we are happy. More we are away from this sound, we are unhappy. So, this is the secret of this Nada Brahma, this sound that is happening every time. It's resonating every time. It has no end. It has no limit. It is limitless. Nada once started ends with the devastation and collapse of this whole universe. That is Pralaya, Mahapralaya. So, connecting with this sound, we have a program that is Om Yoga, and this program will be shared with anyone who deserves to. I think everyone deserves the best in the world. So, happiness everyone deserves. So, let us share happiness with all friends and foes alike. But we have to alarm all evils to stay away, and all righteous people to come forward, join hands to make this globe happiest ever happening on this globe, and which is going to happen. In fact, Ram temple is about to come, and people are highly enthusiastic and happy for this momentous event. And we have our this Om Yoga, of which we are releasing its document on YouTube tomorrow. Tomorrow is 3rd of August. So do not what I should say, see it, watch it. What is Nada Yoga all about? And the myths and illusions spread all over the world about Nada Yoga can be discussed later on. But the purpose of my mission of Om and Nada Yoga are to spread happiness on the earth. So let us go for it. Let us join hands together and start resonating from our own self. It's a self journey. So, this self journey, when it's associated with the celestial sound, it will naturally connect us to the celestial light. So, we all are the children of the divine entity, the Supreme Lord, and its diverse forms. We see Lord in every particle around, in every human being, in every jiva, everything around. So let us move forward and wish each other the best for the best world to happen, and take a vow to uh, help each other to do whatever we can. Contribution of each and every person is invaluable and precious, so that things can get materialized in the stream of best happenings and peaceful world around. So I wish you all the best and hope you all will join me in this mission. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Shri Nad Brahmane Namah. Jai Gurudev.